Our ceiling air returns, AC vents, air diverters, ceiling tile and grid protectors are all rust-proof, waterproof, chip-proof, and have a UL 94 fire rating. They are very easy to install and even easier to clean. Just spray on soap and water and wipe clean. You will never again have to sand down and paint your vents and returns. There are no sharp edges that can potentially cut you, and they will outlast any of the metal vents and returns. On the back side of our vents and returns is a collar, and this is what connects to the duct. The collar sizes are 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 inch. They are also available with a universal collar that can be cut to fit 6 to 14 inch collars. No more replacing vents or returns, no more sanding and painting, no more ugly looking vents or returns for your customers to see. We also have ceiling tile and grid protectors called deflectors. These fit around the vents and prevents moisture from blowing on your grid and rusting it, or dirt on your tiles and making them look bad. They come in one-piece units in white or black. To install, just push up your vent and slide the deflector up in between the vent and the grid. The deflector sits on the grid, and the vents sit on the deflector, and you're done. Cleaning is even easier. Just spray on soap and water and wipe clean. Clear deflectors are also available. They come in 4 pieces and 4 clips. To install, just put a clip on one end of each piece. Then slide the lip of each piece between the grid and vent, and then clip each one together as you go until all 4 are installed. Clean as you do with our other products. Just spray on soap and water and wipe clean. We have 2 types of air diverters that will divert airflow from blowing on one side, or corner units to prevent airflow from that corner. Our diverters can be cleaned by spraying on soap and water and wiping clean.